Collins, I'm Aspen.
I'm Aspen.
And I'm Aaron. Daddy.
Okay, so we're gonna be making some sugar cookies. So AJ, you wanna start with the butter?
Yeah. Yeah, put it.
Yep, scoop that butter
Pour it in the
in.
bowl there.
Scoop that butter in the bowl.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, so we got that butter in there. Can you pour the sugar in there?
Yeah.
Pour that sugar in there. All of
Pour
it.
it all there.
Good job. Tell Daddy help you with the mixer and let's mix it up. Let's scrape the sides down, AJ, and let's see if we got everything.
We got it.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Now we're gonna do our eggs. AJ, can you pour the eggs in there? Good job. And now you and Dad can mix those eggs up with this on low.
You think I don't know it?
No, I'm talking to eggs.
Hey, grab yourself. Grab it. You got it?
Oh, AJ.
Lift it up.
AJ, okay, can you add the vanilla? Add that vanilla in there. Sugar cookies. We making sugar cookies. Did we not say that? We're making sugar cookies, y'all. You and Daddy can start mixing the dry ingredients into the bowl.
Come on, Jay. Pour it in there. Oh. Oh, okay. Put this in there. This one.
AJ, while you whisking that, can you tell them how old you are? How old are you, AJ?
2,
When your birthday?
1, 2,
March 2nd. What's your mom's name? Aspen. What's dad's name? Huh? What's daddy's name? Aaron. You and dad have the same name?
What? What that is that your party?
Huh?
I is that your party?
What's in my pocket? What are you talking about?
You whisking it good?
I did.
You doing a good
Delicious.
job.
I did do it.
Yeah.
And what's it?
Good job.
You got it, Jay?
Alright, so now we can start adding some into here. We're going to add just a little bit at a time. Okay. Now we'll get that again and mix it in there.
Whoa, boy. Man, this shit looks like Ohio.
We'll add some more. Good job. You mommy little helper.
We got a problem here.
What's wrong? Oh, it's getting on there. It's okay.
One broke.
It's been broke. The whole time it's been broke.
Oh. We don't know what he needs though.
No.
Yes, yes. Okay. That was crazy. Dang. A mess. We got a mess. It's all over your face.
What tastes like? Let me see some.
Tastes like they're gonna be good.
What do you think, AJ?
There's flour all over the counter.
Roll it.
Wait a minute. Get messy. Roll it.
Whoa.
Roll it. Roll it. Good job. Roll it. Let mommy see. Can you pick out a cookie you want to do? Good job. Can you pick another one out? Yeah, good job.
The one?
So what's that? You know what that is? A broom.
A what?
A broom. What's this? A ghost.
What's this, AJ?
Push this right here. Don't push it down too hard. You don't mess the cookie though.
What's this?
Let me see what that is. It's the soup bowl.
Oh, super.
Put it right there. And then not too hard so you
You
mess.
almost got these things, how you know what it is?
I can look at it and tell what it is. You
What's
know the
that one
pumpkin, AJ.
What are these?
What's that? It's a spider.
One.
We're doing a spider. Let's reach over here and do the spider.
Whoa.
Hey, what's this?
Okay, you can put one more. So this is a hat. We're doing a hat.
Yep.
Push that hat right there. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Come on, take it away. Hold on,
Cause he
get you
gonna
this
mess it up.
one. No, he ain't. Hold on, AJ. Get you this one.
Oh, the
Yeah, flower nose.
Here. Open your hand. So you ain't gonna mess it up. You gotta put it over there. When you trying to move somebody's hand.
Well, he gotta get down there.
Oh,
Good job, baby. Okay, yeah, so me and Aaron been married for, how long we been married? 6 years, but together 11, 20. We've been together 20. So we've been together 11 years. And we had AJ after, what, 6 years? Was it after 6 years? I don't know.
14.
So AJ is 2. So we were together a long time before AJ came along.
Fuck you say you hung up. Come here, give me a kiss, no fuck that shit, how you been? You be with me to the end.
Okay, so our cookies are done. Dad is out. He had to take a little smoke break, so what do you want to make? I'm gonna do a pumpkin. So this is the pumpkin. I'm gonna do a pumpkin. Let's let you do a ghost. You wanna do a ghost? Use white for ghost. So you're gonna use white icing. That's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. Spread it all over that ghost. And I'm gonna use orange for my pumpkin. Andrew, what you doing? I'm just spread that. You want Mama to show you how to do it? You eating, huh? Mama gonna take some green and do it on her little stem.
I don't know what.
Like that.
Oh,
So Mommy has hers done and I did an orange pumpkin. Okay, not too much, AJ. Wait, let me show you. Let me show you. Can I show you? Okay, let's spread the icing. Spread it. Okay, she done got really sleepy. You ain't sleepy? Okay, put some sprinkles on there. Shake it on there. Whoa!
That looks good.
Yeah, your ghost look good. Okay, let's shake it off and put it on. This AJ ghost, if y'all can see it. Put that on. Dad, what you gonna do? Get a plate. I'm gonna do the candy, the hard candy that be like orange and yellow. AJ, put sprinkles only on your plate. Get another cookie. You wanna do a back? Paint that back black.
this one?
Yeah. Butter naan. What?
Huh. No, I'm so good. I don't need butter naan. What?
Okay, that is good. You don't need a butter naan. So some white. Or do it. Oh, we don't have yellow. So I'm gonna do it.
How y'all supposed to do it. It's an old fashioned way. As you look.
Where? I'm the one.
So this is my hard candy, and I'm gonna put some sprinkles on it. I don't know what sprinkles I want to do. I'm gonna do orange.
These ones? Oh, my toy.
Not too much ice. We're done doing cookies. Oh, this was very tiring. That's pretty good. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Say bye today.
Bye.
You sleepy? You ready to take a bath and go to bed?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Who gonna clean up? You or mama?